Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories: women's football, water shortages in Puerto Rico. Full transcripts and vocabulary lookups are at LinguaWire.com. Women's World Cup places are now decided. Now we go to Sophie, our LinguaWire correspondent for sport.
4 African teams have done it.
That sounds huge. Which teams are in?
Algeria, Morocco, Cameroon, and Malawi all qualified. They will play at the 2027 Women's World Cup in Brazil.
So this was not only one match.
No. It came through the Women's Africa Cup of Nations in Morocco. That tournament is also a World Cup qualifier. Any team in the semifinals gets a place.
That makes every quarter-final very tense.
Yes, and Algeria beat Ivory Coast 2-1. Ivory Coast had only 10 players laid on. Nasira Ouedraogo was sent off. At that point, Ivory Coast were 1-0 ahead.
So Algeria had to turn it around.
They did. Ines Kiri scored. Then Amira Old Braham scored too. That win gave Algeria a first World Cup place.
That is a big first for them.
Yes, it is their first Women's World Cup. Morocco also won 2-1 against South Africa. Sakina Ouzraoui scored for Morocco. Hanani El Haj scored as well.
And Cameroon had a tight one too.
Yes, Cameroon beat Nigeria 1. Miriam Niaju scored the goal. She is only 19 years old. It was a free kick from 30 yards.
A long shot like that can change everything.
It did. 1 goal was enough for Cameroon. Then Malawi caused the biggest shock.
Malawi is the surprise name here.
Yes, Malawi beat Ghana 2-1. They came from behind to win. They are 153rd in the world rankings.
So the semi-finals are next?
Yes. Morocco will play Cameroon. Algeria will play Malawi. The 4 losing quarterfinal teams still have a chance later.
So the door is still open for some of them.
Yes. Ivory Coast will play Ghana. Nigeria will face South Africa. The 2 winners go into the playoffs. Those playoffs are in November and December.
Water is being rationed in Puerto Rico. Now we go to Owen, our LinguaWire correspondent for environment.
Yes, many people are sharing water time.
Sharing water time sounds hard.
It is. Some homes have no water for 48 hours. Then the water comes back. Later, it is shut off again.
So homes are taking turns.
Exactly. It is a rotating plan. About 180,000 properties are affected. That is in 7 regions.
That is a very large number.
Yes, and people in San Juan are upset. Their taps were turned off on Friday. They do not know when the water will return.
What is the reason for this?
Officials say the island has severe drought. Puerto Rico had its driest July on record. Hot weather has made things worse.
So the weather is part of the problem.
Yes, the Carrizo Reservoir is low. The reservoir is crucial for the area. Officials say the drought has left it depleted.
And there is also an old system problem.
Yes, the water system has aging pipes. The water authority says about 65% is lost or unbilled. Some water leaks away. Some goes through old pipes.
People are not only waiting at home then.
No, many people are lining up at tanker trucks. They are filling large bottles. One resident called the conditions brutal.
Do people know when this will end?
Not yet. Officials have not said when it will end. That uncertainty is making people nervous. Some areas were told one thing. Then the water was not there.
So the situation is changing day by day.
Yes, cooking and washing are harder now. For many families, water is not steady today.
First, 3 words from Story 2. Rationing means giving out something in small amounts. In the story, officials used the word rationing for water. Example: the town started rationing after the dry week. Reservoir means a large store of water. In the story, the Carrizo Reservoir was low. Example: the reservoir supplies water to the city. Leak means water escapes from a hole or crack. In the story, old pipes lose water through leaks. Example: we fixed the leak under the sink. Now, one grammar point: is going to. We use is going to for future plans or clear next steps. Example: water is going to stop for 48 hours. Example: Morocco is going to play Cameroon. Repeat after me: is going to stop. Before you go, do you actually know your level and your strengths and weaknesses? Take LinguaWire's quick language assessment. Comprehension, vocabulary, grammar, and listening are each scored separately, so you know exactly what to work on. From there, LinguaWire builds you a personal 12-week plan around your level, goals, and availability. Start at linguawire.com today.